Welcome guys. So in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to prompt AI properly to give you these wonderful results you're seeing on your screen. I'll be dropping the AI website I used to create mine so you can be able to create yours at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's quickly get into it. Head over to the top left corner. Select direct chat with one model at a time. Use GPT Image 1.5 High-Fidelity. Here you import your image. This is the exact same prompt you are going to be using for this particular exercise. You have to copy it. After copying, you paste it and click send. Then it begins to generate the image for you. Our image is ready, and let's take a good look at it. Wonderful. Having learned the first part, now I'm going to show you the second part of it, which is even the most interesting part of it. For this exercise, you're going to be importing your images that you'll be using for this next project. You import your image and a reference image as well. Once you've done that, you copy this particular prompt and paste it. After pasting, you click send, and this is the result. Here are the samples that I actually tried out using the exact same prompt. They all turned out perfectly well. This is Arena.ai, the website I use to access AI models completely for free. Now that you've seen the secrets to our success, the exact same prompt, the process that we're able to use to achieve these results, I urge you to try them out, practice them, and in case you have any difficulty or experiencing any difficulty while trying to achieve the same result, please feel free to refer back to this video and you'll be able to see the exact same process that we're able to use to achieve them. And do well to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be able to get more updates on AI. My name is Victor Emeka, and I'll see you on the next one.